Hi, my name is Ronen, and I got some requests of adding a password into the app and doing multiple pages and showing a chart. So I'm going to show you here in this video, and I've uploaded to the GitHub my code. So basically, what we're doing here is I have this app that is connected to the Schwab API, and I can log in. I can get my orders and account details. I can search and create a filter about which strikes I would like to buy and sell, and search, and also added here a chart, another page with a chart that I can add my own indicators that I find interesting, and maybe even perform automatic buy and sell orders based on this chart and the information that I see here. All this is based with this Python and Schwab API package. You can find all the information how to log in, create your tokens, and create a developer account in here. Very straightforward, and there's a YouTube that's explaining everything. On this URL is the code that I'm going to show you today. Basically, that you can start very fast using this kind of let's say a boilerplate for the Schwab API using Python and Streamlit. And so going over the code, running your Streamlit app, creating the pages. Each page is a function at the end, yeah. And you set the navigation of the pages and how you want them to be seen in the user interface in the app. And for each of these pages, you can also create your own in your own file. So let's say I have the chart. This is my chart. I'm using Streamlit, and I get the data that I'm looking for. I process the data in some way, and I create the indicator. That's one indicator that I'm adding to the chart. Another indicator is the moving average, 30-day moving average, which I actually used ChatGPT or an alternative to a large language model that I asked them, hey, how can I add an indicator into my chart? And it just gave me the answer. I'm using here a Continue AI, and this CodeStore large language model. It's open source and it's free for now, so I recommend using it. So let's say I tell it, okay, just as an example, I have this file, a chart. I would like to add another indicator, let's say the 150 moving average. And what it's going to do is actually it gets now information to my file and can just give me the code how to do it. So it gives me here this code to calculate the data. So I'm going to just put it here under the 30-day moving average, and then I need to add another line to the series. Okay, this is the series, and I have the, let's see what is new here. So this is the 30. It's right over here. Then I want to add here another one. Yeah, I don't see I have any errors. So let's look if it worked. Page not found. Okay. Okay, I need to log in. Go to the chart. Okay, it's bringing the data. And there I have it. It's the 150 moving average. Pretty interesting. And here we have the Tesla shorts. And of course I can change it. If I go to the chart, I can also make it dynamic and everything. And let's for the SPX. Okay, refresh, and yeah, you can see it's going up, and we have everything here. So that's it. If you have any questions, put it below in the comments. I have all the links there. Thank you, and you start with